Hello, and welcome to this third musical offering from the Grade 6 Concert Band.
Like our first two videos, we recorded our parts separately, then edited them together to make a complete performance.
We have started to play our instruments in class now, which is a lot of fun and is making everything easier.
We are getting better and learning more about what it means to be an ensemble.
To pick a piece for this video, we chose from a few options: an American march, a procession from Handel's Water Music, and a blues rock arrangement.
In the end, we went with the Banana Boat song, made famous by the singer and activist Harry Belafonte.
In this calypso tune, workers sing about daylight coming, their shift ending, and waiting for their bananas to be tallied up so they can go home.
The next time you bite into some fruit that came from halfway across the globe, think of all the people who helped it arrive at your table.
We hope you enjoy our Banana Boat song.
Hello and welcome to the third musical offering of the MBCI Grade 7 Concert Band.
We recorded another virtual performance, but have started playing together again in class.
It sure is nice to hear each other live again as we play. We have also been learning about the 8 elements of music.
To pick something for this video, we looked at 3 options: a Canadian folk song, a song in the style of 60s California surf rock, and the one we eventually chose, an arrangement of You'll Be Back from the musical Hamilton.
In this song, King George tries to alternately charm and threaten the rebellious American colonies not to break away from England and form their own country. He does not succeed.
And this is our rendition of You'll Be Back.
Hello, and welcome to the third musical offering of MBCI Grade 8 Concert Band.
We've recently started playing our instruments again in class, with bell covers and other safety measures. It's great to play together live again.
To pick a piece for this video, we voted on 3 possibilities: a popular sea shanty, a Kentucky bluegrass reel, and the one we chose, Shackleford Banks.
Shackleford Banks is an island off North Carolina inhabited entirely by wild mustangs who spend their days roaming and playing freely.
The music resembles the soundtrack for The Magnificent Seven, cowboy music without the cowboys, just the horses.
And now we present Shackleford Banks.
Hello, and welcome to this musical offering from the MBCI Grades 10 and 12 Concert Bands.
With separate cohorts, our 2 grades have never actually been in the same room together, and classes have also been separated between in-person and remote learning.
But we are very happy to be playing in class again now.
Technology has allowed us to keep the music going this year, but connections that come from playing live bring the most joy. And after the vaccine puts an end to COVID, performing for a live audience in Jubilee Place will be even better.
To choose music for this April Band video, we explored 4 options, including music about flying a plane through the clouds, music depicting several locales in an American town, and a tune about a long Florida highway in an alligator-infested swampland.
The piece we decided to program was Dances of a Shimmering Spirit. This music was commissioned by a high school band in Ohio to remember a former bandmate who loved life, loved music, and continued to be a huge presence even after graduating. The music is sometimes carefree, sometimes driving and forceful. A meditative part is reminiscent of The Prayer by David Foster.
We've worked hard to put these videos together, and we hope you enjoy our efforts. And now, Dances of a Shimmering Spirit.